Welcome to the top best. The best St Topex Self Tanner is probably one of the most sought after products for achieving a flawless, sun-kissed glow without the harmful UV rays, and in this video, we're diving deep into whether this popular self-tanning solution lives up to the hype, examining its application, the naturalness of the color it imparts, its longevity, and any potential drawbacks to help you make an informed decision before you buy. Number 5. B.TAN Violet Base Self Tanner Mousse. Get ready for a tan you'll fall in love with. This express formula delivers a beautiful, sunless glow in just 1 hour. Achieve your best tan yet with our 1-hour express sunless tanning foam. It's designed for quick and convenient application. Say goodbye to unwanted orange tones. This unique formula works to cancel them out, leaving you with a natural-looking color. Enjoy a deep, bronzing glow that looks like you've been kissed by the sun. It provides a rich and radiant finish. Experience a pleasant tanning session without the typical fake tan smell. You can feel confident and fresh. This versatile mousse is perfect for both your face and body. Achieve a seamless tan all over. What we like? This one is perfect for those who want a quick tan without the orange undertones. Its violet base actively cancels out any brassiness. If you're looking for a fast, natural-looking dark tan and hate the typical fake tan smell, this is your go-to. What people say. This self-tanner is so easy to use. I love that it goes on a little darker so you can see exactly where you're applying it. It makes blending super simple and streak-free. The color turns out really natural, and the whole process is quick. The smell isn't bad like many others. This tanning lotion is amazing. It goes on super smooth, smells great, and gives such a natural, even color. No streaks, no orange tones, just a perfect sun-kissed glow. Number 4. B.TAN Violet Self Tanner Kit Dark Tanning Mousse. Get ready to experience a tan like never before. This bundle offers a luxurious dark tanning mousse for a beautiful bronzed glow. Achieve a perfect tan with ease. The included mitt applicator ensures smooth and even coverage every time. In just 1 hour, you can achieve a stunning, natural-looking tan. It's the perfect solution for when you need a quick glow. Enjoy a beautiful bronzed finish without any unwanted orange hues. Plus, say goodbye to that typical fake tan odor. Feel good about your tan. This product is proudly vegan and cruelty-free, aligning with ethical beauty standards. Achieve a deep, rich bronzed glow that looks incredibly natural. It's the ultimate way to enhance your skin tone. What we like? Get a complete tanning experience with this bundle that includes an applicator mitt for easy, even application. The violet base ensures a natural, non-orange finish in just 1 hour. If you're a beginner or want a foolproof way to achieve a dark bronzed glow without the hassle, this kit is ideal. What people say. This product is amazing and I am so happy with the results. It gives a beautiful, natural-looking tan that lasts for days. The application is smooth and streak-free, and it dries quickly. Number 3. B.TAN Ultra Long-Lasting Self Tanner Kit. Introducing the B.TAN Ultra Long-Lasting Self Tanner Kit, your all-in-one solution for a beautiful, sun-kissed glow. Get ready to experience a tan that lasts. This forever bundle provides a rich, dark sunless tan that looks natural and feels amazing. Achieve your desired shade with ease and confidence. Enjoy a stunning tan that lasts for up to 11 days. Our advanced formula ensures long-lasting color without the need for frequent touch-ups. In a hurry? Our 1-hour express foam delivers fast bronzing results, giving you a beautiful glow in no time. It's perfect for when you need a quick tan. Say goodbye to the unpleasant smell of traditional self-tanners. This product offers a pleasant experience with no fake tan odor, leaving you with a natural-looking bronzed glow. Achieve an even and streak-free application every time with the included mitt applicator. It makes tanning simple and mess-free, ensuring a professional finish at home. What we like? For a tan that truly lasts, this option is unparalleled, offering a deep glow for up to 11 days. It still provides a fast bronzing effect within an hour and comes with a mitt for effortless application. If you desire a long-lasting, dark tan and want to minimize reapplication, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. No orange Oompa Loompa color. Very light scent. Little to no color transfer to other fabric. Number 2. Coco and Eve's Sunny Honey Medium Self Tanner Foam. Achieve a beautiful, natural-looking tan with our revolutionary Self Tanner. It's designed for a fast-drying, streak-free application every time. Enjoy the delightful tropical fragrance as you apply this lightweight mousse. It feels non-sticky and absorbs quickly for ultimate comfort. Say goodbye to streaks and hello to an even, flawless tan. Our formula ensures a smooth and consistent color payoff. No more waiting around. This innovative formula dries rapidly, allowing you to get dressed and go sooner. Feel good about your glow. It's proudly vegan and cruelty-free, so you can tan with a clear conscience. Get the perfect medium shade you desire with this easy-to-use self-tanner. It delivers a natural, sun-kissed look. What we like. Experience a lightweight, non-sticky tan that dries quickly and applies flawlessly without streaks. Its delightful tropical scent makes the tanning process enjoyable. If you prioritize a natural-looking tan, a pleasant fragrance, and a comfortable, fast-drying formula, this is the perfect pick for you. What people say. It applies easily with a light tint to help you see where you've covered. It applies evenly when using a mitt and face brush, with no streaks or awkward darker patches or anything. This self-tanner gives me a lovely, even, natural-looking glow. It's not too dark, orange, or fake-looking. It lasts about a week before I need to reapply. Extremely hydrating. I have extremely dry skin and I didn't feel like I needed to put lotion on over it. Number 1. New Skin Sunright Insta Glow Self-Tanner Gel. Get that sun-kissed glow without the sun. This self-tanner gel provides a natural-looking tan for both your face and body. Enjoy a beautiful summer tan all year round. Infused with vitamin E and avocado oil, it nourishes your skin while it tans. Experience a smooth application and a healthy-looking complexion. It's beauty and skincare combined. Achieve a natural body bronzer effect with ease. Its formula, containing DHA and amino acids, works to create a beautiful, even tan. It's the perfect way to enhance your natural radiance. Simply apply the gel for a gradual tan that develops over time. It's designed for a streak-free finish, giving you confidence with every application. Enjoy a flawless tan effortlessly. Get an instant glow that looks naturally suntanned. This product is your secret to radiant skin, providing a beautiful bronzed look. It's the perfect addition to your beauty routine. What we like. Achieve a natural, sun-kissed look with this hydrating gel formula enriched with vitamin E and avocado oil. It's designed to give you a beautiful summer tan without the harshness of sun exposure. If you prefer a moisturizing, easy-to-apply gel that nourishes your skin while providing a subtle bronzed glow, this product is an excellent option. What people say. The gel formula is lightweight and smooth, making it very easy to apply without streaks. The color develops into a natural-looking glow rather than an orange tone. Fast natural tan with no lines or staining your hands. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.